Welcome back to Cal's Market Company, and right now we're just finished for today. Right now it is now 3 o'clock. We had to close a little bit early due to the weather condition, and yeah, it wasn't that great. But again, we got some interesting visitors that came in. Got a few signatures, so that's good news. Not that we did show them a lot of these interesting items too, as well. That's from the 3D printers that's being printed, displaying a lot of these items too, as well, that we do 3D printing at the innovation center. So this is what we did right now. This is why we did to explain to them what we did for now, and also sold some few things right here too as well. So did some few selling, but some of the other ones didn't came out as like should have been, but it's okay. That's good news. Then also with the other 3D printers too as well, we'll show them a little more. So that's good news. Show them a lot of these interesting items too as well. So, but right now, the other one was the well, a lot of people don't know we're here. We're open at the facility. That's the interesting part. Yeah, I'm not sure who was it that was previously supposed to like host everything else on this event. This is the first time we ever actually have an event right here at the Nanotech Innovation Center, and that we're supposed to like. Well, apparently there's supposed to be like a an open house apparently. Try to invite community wise to actually show them like what we do for a living here at the office. And luckily, I was the only one here that came out fantastic. Demonstrated a lot of people, and opened up the shop for the morning. Didn't came out as I should have been. We did open up around 9 o'clock. We began setting up at 8 o'clock, but then 9 o'clock here. That's when a lot of people they came into my office. Well, a few did came in, but then not as expected. They think it's like a simple warehouse, but it's not really a warehouse. It's basically a shop I am in right now as a business area. So that's one thing I am trying to show to them what we do. Did explain some of them, but again, it was like not as I expected to be because they have the people who came in. So it was kind of like not that bad, but at least half of it I did got their signatures. They did came in to actually look into my items, see the whole thing. So that's good news, and that I told them that what we do for these items actually begin to set up right now. So that's one thing that's the other side of like telling them that this is what we do. Begin to do a lot of stuff, these stuff right here. Do like an opening where my website's at. But yeah, but at least it came out okay. At least it was like our first try. Don't worry, because again, this is our first one, and yeah, apparently a lot of people didn't know where we exist. That's one thing. But again, it was kind of like a downfall because of the oh, okay, sorry about that. I had to stop the video when the tins were asking me to take some food to take some food at home, so you guys see it from the chair. But yeah, a lot of people didn't know we existed. That's one thing. So that was very interesting. This was our first time to actually open up a the session right now, but came out fantastic. There was some few donations. That was great news. Because we had to use that donation to actually do as much as we can. Didn't make that much. Just like a little small quantity, because nobody actually send in those individuals or one of the customers in the back apparently. So that's one of the biggest one that we didn't know. And on top of this too as well, we didn't do a live session on our YouTube channel. It was kind of disappointing that one of our technical issue was that we didn't arrange a appointment. When it says that we'll set it up for 24 hours, wait for this time, then we'll be open up. We didn't know that it means that it'll be used one time only. That was it. And when we open it, we tried to log into it here. It wouldn't allow us to actually do a live session. So that was like the biggest disappointment of all time that we have. So we had like cancel. We had to do it. Well, actually, digital right here. So sorry about that on the camera. So it was kind of like big downer, but it's okay. At least it's all right. We are doing it by video recording. Go from there. After that, see how it goes from there. So. But yeah, I think we just did okay. Did some few videos on the outside. How many people came in? There's a lot of people that I will show on the first video, and that's that. But again, we did close it down because of the wind. That was the biggest one that really went down a little bit. We were gonna leave it open until 4 o'clock, but we had to close a little bit early due to the wind. So that was the biggest downfall that happened. Their canopy was like lifting. That was the biggest one. Ooh, that was kind of a bit scary. After that, try and like do some few How some people came in, that was great news. Just a little bit, a few donations, sort of. But again, a lot of interesting customers that did want to request. But then we noticed that we told them that we are open here 24/7, or we're open here every day from Monday to Friday, 8 to 5, every single day. Holidays, not really. We had to like leave it closed. It is, we do work here, but for me, I just like don't want to take breaks. That's the one thing I really don't like. It's just a happy habit now. That's one thing we did right now. Um, but everything else so far, everything else went okay. Overall, everything else went fantastic. Everybody else looked at these items. We now exist here, so thank you everybody else to actually join in. But so, for those who didn't make it, that's okay. We still got to do another session. We don't know when it'll be open, but again, we'll be available. Again, we'll be here whenever it is, whenever Couchworker Company actually continues on. But yeah, but also some other news too as well for other individuals out there. The Sketch Large is now back online since MakerBot actually reopened up the software. Just for those who are listening to this, again, the MakerBot is now open up, so I'm gonna do another videos again to do more trials. But the good news is this one came out fantastic with the RAF, which is very interesting. I'm not sure because of the new updated version. We'll see how it goes. But again, I'm gonna take a break right now. So, all right then, that's all we have for now today, ladies and gentlemen. Want to thank for everybody else that came over to the community of Gallup and also everywhere else from the different locations. We did fantastic. So hopefully they did got my service from here as a 3D print company. We are open every now and then, so I got some more customers. At least that's not the downside of it. At least that was the upside of it. So that's good news. So have a good day, everybody else. Have a Thanksgiving, and then we'll continue with these videos. Goodbye.